Hello and welcome. There's nothing a repairman loves to see than a pile of broken tools disassembled in a dung stores bag. Hikoki grinder, well, part of it. There's another part. There's a drill. Yeah, lovely. We'll see. There's some of this parts here. We'll put them out in the tray. And they fell everywhere. That's the bag empty now, so I have screws and brushes and caps, which I assume are for the grinder. Right, so we'll take a look at what we have. There's the grinder head, there's the grinder body, and for what I can see, there's brushes, but we don't have everything. We're missing a cap here as well, and one of these. So that's well, there's another cap. We found another cap, so it mightn't be too bad. So here we are, lovely bag of stuff. Somebody's had a go at working at this grinder, which, as repairmen, even amateur repairmen like me, we love to see that. And also, some nice bits lying everywhere. That's good. So we'll have a look at that in a moment. Firstly, we'll have a look at this Hikoki drill to see what's happening with that. At least that's in the one piece. It's not going anyway. So, will I start with the grinder or will I start with the others? The drill? It's hard to know. I'm tempted to take a look at the grinder first because somebody's had to go with to get the bits and some of the screws out and different things going on there. So, yeah, let's have a go at that. Nice. Let's see what has transpired here. Somebody's had a go at it, but they haven't had a while go at it, you know. See, I'll pull this out to see. Yeah. See the brush holder's bent. That's always what you love. That's lovely. No, we'll straighten it. We'll straighten it. Might be okay. Brush holder was bent. So I remember, these are not fun. These are not fun at all. I think he had that on upside down or something. There's something wrong there. There's something not right with the way he had that assembled. These old wires have to go underneath. It's a whole blue with these. These are actually hateful to reassemble. I can see why he didn't put it back together. That's a little bit better. Let's see if we can get these things all lined up now. Right in there somewhere. That's it now, it's in place. Yeah. We'll just get this closed up just to see if we can get her to run or what is going on. There's a bit of a disconcerting smell of this. Adjusting the camera angle here. A disconcerting smell of burning motor, which we don't like. So, we'll try and stick the brushes in and get her to run, you know. This is a 2021 brush grinder. These Hikoki, they wouldn't be phenomenal. These, there's a brushless version that is vastly superior to this one. This old one's just a very basic model that. There we are. Hikoki. I'll put the head on her, will we? There was some guy on TikTok one time gave me a bit of abuse for he claimed I put the head on this wrong. You know. Doesn't really matter, in truth. And you can turn around that head to suit yourself. You want the switch on the side or you want the switch at the top, you know. Doesn't really matter. But anyway, we've got her back together and we're going to put the brushes in. If we can fit the brushes in. Right, they're alright. Screw on the wee caps. Just drop the cap, you know. That bit's for the bearing, to be quite honest with you. But anyway, we'll test her and then we can open her and put the on if we need. I don't see anything wrong with it, to be quite honest. I'm going to have to just open it again and put that little bearing cover on. The bearing's not in phenomenal shape. The motor's probably had a bit of a burn. I don't know. Is she worth an armature? Who knows? Now that bearing could do with a replacement. Probably armature replacement, you know. But we'll put it together now anyway. And we'll we'll go for the side switch, will we? We'll go this way. Just to be awkward. Do you know what I could do before I put that back together? And I think I will do, if I can do it. Put a bit of grease in there. Anybody who watches my channel know I like a bit of grease, like. A little bit of grease. There we are. Right, we'll put this battery in and see. We'll move on to victim number 2, the drill. Got a screwdriver, it's taken fairly well. This has slowed things down immensely. I'll get the screws out by hand, which I don't like doing because it takes too much time. Screw successfully out. Now we'll pull this off to see what the hell is going on here. Right. Not good news. Do we have a brushless motor here? I believe we do. Brushless motor is not going round. Could be a gearbox jam here. Could be a gearbox jam. I think that's what it is. I think something's collapsed in the gearbox and that's said good night. Aye. That's that one roughly put together, and that one's fully put together. One fix, one, yeah, not worth fixing. So if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.